What up everybody, it's your girl Minimoss with another video planned for you guys this week. I know I said in last week's video that this week would be the 100 subscriber special. However, something did come up. I was unable to do what I had planned. So hopefully it will be up by next week. It will not take too long to go up. It will happen. It's gonna go up by the end of the month, by the end of January. It's going to be a thing that's gonna go up. So you guys would have seen what I was planning to do in the original clip. It's gonna hopefully turn out to be kind of like a halo eye. I've never actually attempted a halo eye before, so we will see how this turns out. So just to begin with, I'm gonna go in with the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade white. And I'm just going to apply that to my lid just with a flat application brush because there's no way I can actually pick it up with these long nails. Once that's done, I'm going to jump into the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and then just going straight in with Eden, which is the shade here. Just going in with a fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to apply that into my creases. Once that's done, going in with Amber, which is the shade right here, which was next to Eden. And then again going in with that same fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to apply that into my crease just as a more controlled area. Quickly just going in with a clean fluffy blending brush, I'm just going to blend around the edges. Once that's done, going in with Saffron, which is just this red shade here, I'm just going to apply that in the outer corner of my crease and also in the inner corner as I've been doing. Again, just very slightly going through with the clean fluffy blending brush. I'm just going to go around the edges once again. Then once that's done, just going in with Oud, which is this shade here. And I'm just going to apply that in the outer corner of my eye and the inner corner of my eye, just using a precision like fluffy blending brush, I guess.
It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself.
Once that's done, going back into that NYX eyeshadow base and that same brush from before, I'm just going to quickly white out just the center of my lids. Once that's done, just going in with Cosmo, which is this glitter pigment here. I'm just going to go in with a flat application brush. This is the brush from the Urban Decay electric palette. I almost said the Alice in Wonderland palette, you guys. And then just going in with Cosmos, I'm just going to place that over the top of where we just placed that base. And then just going through the crease again with the clean blending brush just to get any glitter that may have gone into it out. Once that is done, just going in with eyeliner. I'm just going to grab the Night Owl eyeliner in the shade Haunted by Meiji Look, and I'm just going to do a pretty dramatic wing just because we will be putting on falsies. Once that's done, just going in with mascara. I'm just going to jump in with these two here, which is by Essence. So I have the Volume Stylist 18-Hour Essence Lash Extension Mascara, as well as the False Lashes Mascara Dramatic Volume Unlimited, also by Essence. So I'm just going to go in with this one and then this one on top. Once they are on, I'm just going to jump away really quickly to pop on my face and my eyebrows, and I will come back for my contour blush and highlight and all of that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in a second. Bye. Okay, so I'm back and my face and eyebrows are now on. So just to begin with, we're going to jump into contouring. So I'm just going to jump into the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Chisel to Perfection palette. And just with the brush that comes with the palette, going in with the medium cocoa, which is the cool tone brown here. I'm just going to contour my cheeks underneath my jawline and my temples as well. Once you've put that on, just going in with blush, I'm just going to grab the Too Faced Sweetheart's Perfect Blush in the shade Candy Glow, and then just going in with a angled contouring brush, I'm just going to apply that to the apples on my cheeks. Once that's done, going in with highlight, I'm just going to grab the Sleek Makeup highlighting palette and just going in with the bottom two colors here and here. Just going back and forth with a fan brush, I'm just going to highlight my cheeks, my nose, and my cupid's bow. Then once that is done, just going in with Amber again, which was that second shade we grabbed. I'm just going to apply that on my lower lash line. And then again, just going in with Oud, which was that last dark shade we grabbed, just on the very lash line on the outer like half of the lash line, I'm just going to apply that there. And finally, once everything has been completed, I'm just going to go in with lipstick and I'm just going to apply that as usual. And just quickly going in with a cotton wipe, I'm just going to moi in between it. Just over the top of that, very lightly going in with the Jeffree Star 714 Summer Edition liquid lipstick. And there you have it, my lovelies. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss any more content like this. I love you all so much, and this is Minimoss 16 out. Bye guys.